Hello guys, I'm excited to share with you my Vanderpump Paris Las Vegas experience. I got so excited to learn na meron ng Vanderpump sa Las Vegas because I've been going to West Hollywood location nila in the past pero wala na. So now that I'm here in Vegas, so I might as well just check it out. Ang ganda ng menu nila, pan-newspaper ang dating. Hindi ko lang alam kung makakakain kami kasi we just had our late lunch. This is my drink, Frosé Royal. Alam niyo na kung bakit siya ang in-order ko. May pa-rose. Siyempre, Rose ang name ko, kaya I love Rose. I like my drink. It's a strong one, pero sweet. Kaya hindi mo ma-feel talaga yung alcohol. Mapapasayaw ka sa sarap. Masarap siya. Very buttery. Tapos yung honey glaze niya, tamang-tama lang. Hindi siya ganun ka-sweet. Yung truffles, very delicious. So delicious. Grabe. Akala ko hindi na ako makakain kasi nga I had late lunch. Dahil sa sobrang sarap, naubos namin siya. We also had crab croquettes. I love it. I love yung pagka-golden brown, crispy and crunchy niya outside. Moist and very crabby, crab overload inside. With or without lemon, delicious. May pagka-spicy, but I love spicy food. Food is delicious. Ambience, very Parisian. Drinks, very unique. I'll definitely come back again and try their other menu. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.